Where have we come from? Being entrepreneurs and pioneers was in the genes of our founders Chaim Salomon, Moshe Levin, and Yitzhak Elstein when they created a small wholesale drug distribution business in Jerusalem in 1901. During the first half of the 20th century, the company grew to become the sole source of pharmaceutical supplies for the local market, neighboring countries, and the British Army stationed in the Middle East. In the 2 decades prior to the establishment of the State of Israel, the local pharmaceutical industry transformed, allowing the company to expand from distribution to manufacturing. In 1953, Eli Hurwitz joined the company and later became its CEO. In 1976, under his leadership, Teva, as we know it today, was established from the reverse merger of Asia and Sori. Eli became Teva's first CEO and led the company for more than 30 years. During that time, it was his vision, entrepreneurship, and courage that turned Teva into a leading global company. He still inspires us to this very day. In the 80s and 90s, we went international, in particular capitalizing on the passing of the Hatch-Waxman Act to lead the way in the US market in the generics sector. After moving into branded drugs, we had a market breakthrough in the 1990s with the introduction of Copaxone, a novel treatment for multiple sclerosis. It became the first original Israeli drug to be approved by the Food and Drug Administration in the United States. In the first decade of the 21st century, we continued to strengthen our capabilities and grow our business with acquisitions in the US, Canada, and Europe, and by establishing subsidiaries in Latin America and other parts of the world. Today, we are the largest pharmaceutical generics company in the world, with a significant specialty franchise focused on central nervous system, pain, and respiratory diseases, and a growing OTC business. Together, we are one of the leading pharmaceutical companies in the world. We can be very proud of where we have come from and what we have achieved, touching the lives of millions of people for over a century.